Hello everyone, this is Tech Bismo, and welcome to another video. And in this video, everybody, I'm going to be doing a video on Linux Mint from a Windows user's point of view. So yeah, guys, as you know, I am a Windows user, but yeah, we're going to be seeing how you guys will like Linux Mint and how I will like Linux Mint. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first, when you install Linux Mint, it'll come up with this welcome screen that says Linux Mint 18.1 Serena Cinnamon. For mine, it's 64-bit. Yours could be, I don't know, Mate 32-bit. But mine's Cinnamon 64-bit, and it says, "Welcome and thank you for choosing Linux Mint. We hope you'll enjoy using it as much as we did designing it. The links below will help you get started with your new operating system. Have a great time and don't hesitate to send us your feedback." So yeah, you've got these links right here for the apps. So yeah, I think this is the Software Center for the welcome screen. Yeah, so this is the Software Manager or Software Center, which is what I call it, and so does Piggy Uniform. And yeah, guys, of course this video is inspired by Piggy Uniform because he is a Linux user. Now, he doesn't use Linux Mint. He uses a distribution of Linux called Arch Linux. He might be switching to Debian right now, but I believe he's using Arch Linux. So yeah, and another thing about Linux Mint, so you've got the menu right here. Now, another thing you'll notice about Linux Mint, doesn't this look a lot like Windows? Now, this is an opinion. I mean, this looks a lot like Windows to me. But yeah, as you know, as I said at the beginning of the video, I am a Windows user, so yeah, I do like Windows, but to be honest, I like Linux better than Windows. Yes, guys, I like Linux better than Windows, but I like to keep the original version of, or the original operating system that my computer came on my computer, installed onto my computer. So yeah, let's go on back to the menu. So yeah, you've got here your Firefox web browser, and I didn't mean to launch that, but yeah, when you launch the Mozilla Firefox, it'll come up with this web page that says Linux Mint, from freedom came elegance, and I think it's a search engine. So let me type Piggy Uniform. Let's see if his stuff shows up. No, it's just Linux Mint stuff. But yeah, there's the web browser. Another thing you have here is the Software Center. You have System Settings, Terminal, Files, Lock Screen, Logout, Quit, Applications, Graphics, Internet. So you have Firefox, Hex Chat, Pigeon, Internet Messenger, Thunderbird Mail, Transmission. You have Office, so it has LibreOffice, LibreOffice Base, LibreOffice Calc, LibreOffice Draw, LibreOffice Impress, and I don't have to go through all of these. You get the idea. And sound and video, you can see here I've installed Simple Screen Recorder. That's the screen recorder I'm using right now. But yeah, so Linux Mint is very nice. It's now my favorite distribution of Linux. Yeah, but let's go to the settings and show you guys the stuff in settings. So right here you have backgrounds, effects, fonts, themes, all in the appearance. In preferences, you have stuff like accessibility, panel, privacy, screensaver, desklets, desktop, extensions, general, window tilling, workspaces, input method, all of that. And in hardware, you have Bluetooth, color, display, graphics tablet, keyboard, mouse, and touchpad, network, power management, printers, sound, and system info. And I'll show you my system info right now. Yes, I have a Core i5 4210U CPU with 1.7 gigahertz. I don't know why that says dual core, but my computer is actually a quad core. yeah, but it has 16 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, and I just opened up this, and I don't want to. Go away, go away. But yeah, there's the system info. But let's go into the themes. So in the themes, you can customize how you want this to look and your panel and stuff. So my favorite is mint Y and mint Y dark. So I set this as mint Y, that as mint Y, this as mint Y, or no, not that as mint Y dark, mint Y, and then I keep that as DMZ white, and then Linux Mint, I do Linux Mint Y dark. So yeah, it all looks pretty nice. They all actually look pretty nice. But yeah, where's the Linux Mint Y darker? Because I normally do the darker settings. I always forget where it is, by the way. Mint Y, oh yeah, Mint Y darker. Yeah, this is how I like it. This is also how Piggy Uniform customizes. This is how he normally customizes his Linux Mint desktop. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that because again, I like these the themes that they already have. Yeah, so they have in the administration they have driver manager, firewall, login window, software sources, users, and groups, all of that. And now I'm going to go to my favorite sound ever in Linux Mint. I love that sound. That's like the best sound ever. I mean, when you log on to the Linux Mint computer, it does this sound. It's just beautiful, isn't it, guys? But this one, the Leaving Cinnamon, it's like barely anything. I mean, who would want that? But switch.oga. Yeah, you get the idea. I'm not going to go through all of these. But yeah, here's the home folder. You have desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, and videos. In templates, Piggy Uniform has a video about this, of the templates folder and why it's there. So yeah, I'll leave that as a link in the description, and you can also see it on the screen right now if you're on a computer or an iPhone or something. Yeah, here's the desktop folder, and it's video.mkv. That's the one I'm recording right now. But yeah, anyway, guys, it's the end of this video now. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye, everybody!